Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert music to your CapCut apps. Okay, this is a basic tutorial and I already have one video here. So to insert the music, you are just going to click audio and then click sound. To insert your music file, you are just going to click folder icon and then select from files. So you can select import from files and just search for the music that you have and that you want to add to your clip. So for example, as you can see, the music has been imported to my CapCut. Just click add to your clip. That's it. I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.